Hello and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to teach you a simple and easy method to uploading your own subtitles. So this is going to go through creating and uploading. So the first thing you should probably do is download this app called Listen and Write. It is completely free. It's free. The link will be in the description. You just download it and it's pretty easy to use. I have it saved on my computer. And I always run it as administrator just because I found when I don't, it doesn't like pop up. So you go, you open the file that you would like to add subtitles to. So for me, I want the video. Oh wait, okay, no. Audio, I did mine. You can import videos to subtitle and get the audio, but I actually had, well actually no, here we go, all files. Okay, it popped up. Today I'm gonna make the subtitles for this video. So you open it, and then if the hello, I'm Ashley and you pause it. Well, I'm pausing it. So if this bottom part here does not show up the text editor, it's under view, hi, text editor, bookmarks, things like that. Before you start typing your subtitles for the video, I would set up your options so that it stops while you're playing. So smart pause and play, playback time after pause, before pause, and then time of pause before it starts playing again. You can set that up. I have mine set for 1.75 seconds, and then it'll rewind. So yeah, go through your settings and make sure you have it set up. My playback time is 7 seconds. And by that means it goes back 7 seconds after it's paused. So let's restart this. And so I can show you how it works. You hit play. Hello, I'm Ashley. I'm Ashley and I dabble. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. I'm gonna skip ahead. Well, I'm gonna stop recording and then I'm gonna skip ahead to this being complete. But before I do, a tip for those of you who have never typed out your subtitles before with this particular app, if you have a script, like if you read from a script for your video and you deviated very little, it is easier if you copy and paste the text into the text editor, and then that way it's a lot easier to edit that than to type it all out. For those of you who are typing it all out, just a reminder, save while you're typing, save every 5 seconds, save it where you need to save it. It's going to save as a TXT files. So I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to finish typing. Remember, frequently save because there's no auto save on this, and you do not want to be typing all this out and then get halfway through or get almost done and then your computer does something weird and then it's not saved. So try to save, but maybe put a timer on your phone every 5 minutes, save your progress, and you're good. So let me finish this up and then okay, so I've typed out the whole script for this video. Now I had a script that I was reading from where I would read from it and ad-lib where I felt like I needed to ad-lib just because I didn't want to ramble, and I have a tendency to ramble in videos where I have no script, where I'm just like talking. It takes too long and I add a bunch of words in, and I also have a verbal tick of so, and like, so using a script helps a lot. All right, you've typed it all out. Now you've been saving it as a TXT file. The only problem with this is it doesn't have spell check. So what I've learned to do is I go into Word and I go and I hit File and I hit New and I just use a blank document. What you do is you hit Control All and you hit Control Copy or Control A, then Control plus C, or just right click, copy. You go back to the blank document and you paste it in. This way you can go through spell check and you see all the things like I can't spell. So I just do a quick run through of stuff that is misspelled to make sure, and I fix it because these are going to be read. These are for people who can't hear what you're saying or who are hard of hearing. Certain things, you know, I'm not going to fix because one, even though it's not a word, is still, what is it called? It's still a word you say. It's not, I guess, it's not a word you write. Okay, so I have that set up. You have multiple options here. Your first option is that you go File, Save As, and you can save it as a TXT file. And then I would title it with the video. For this video is my and I always put no timings because there's actually there's two different ways I do subtitles. This is the fastest, easiest way, but there's a different way for why is it not working? Okay. No. I don't need to insert line breaks, do I? No. No, okay. That's one option. And it works. But my favorite option is that I go into Notepad and I take the spell checked version that I double checked and I just paste it into here and voila. Now this one you also can save the same way. You know, File, Save As. I'm just gonna put this title, Spanish Notebook Notepad, no timings, because I did it with Word, so. Okay. Save. That's saved. Those are your two options. If you don't have Word to do your spell check, Google Docs works and it's completely free. If you're on YouTube, you have a Google account. So just go to Google Docs, paste it there, and then take it back out. Also, if you're confident in your spelling and you think you didn't misspell anything, you can just use the text file that you save for this because this saves as a text file when you hit Save As. You see TXT files. So it's up to you how you would like to save this portion. You just have to make sure it's in TXT format. Now we're gonna go to YouTube. I was watching this before I upload it. Anyway, you go to YouTube, you go to the video, which you have already uploaded. The first step actually is upload your video. Make sure it's uploaded. It doesn't have to be public. This video is scheduled and I'm recording this in advance. So it doesn't have to be public yet. You can keep it private until you're ready to make it public. You can have it set as a premiere. Anyway, you go to more options. Your subtitles will be here. And then what you do is you upload subtitles. You hit without timing. You hit continue. And then you go to where you saved your Subtitles, and you upload it. And then there's going to be two. There's going to be the automatic, which it'll say automatic, and then there's going to be ones by you. So it should be in the language of the video, like you set the language and everything with this, so when you do it, it's like easy. So they're going to set the timings for the video. You hit save. YouTube sets the timings, which is great. So after they process it and set the timings, you can come back and check. But after, I'll show you with my videos, after you set the timings, it'll automatically like show up with your videos that there is CC. So if I go to my channel, come on. If I go to my channel and I go to videos, boom, 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 the videos that have the subtitles will say CC. These are not automatic. I'm telling this again. The automatic subtitles are crap. They are not good. They don't listen or hear the words you say. It can't identify it. It'll be the most random thing in the world. So upload subtitles. I'm trying to do it for every video that I talk in from here on out. I've done it for all my talking videos except my really old ones from like over a year ago. Even the one 2 years ago has subtitles. So yeah, it's pretty easy. After you do it, I highly recommend watching the video and make sure the timings are actually correct with what you're saying, and to see if you have any obvious errors that you made. And that is all. So that's the video. Like if you like this, and also there is, if you want to see the other way, because there's a second way to do it where you can put the timings and it's an SRT file. So if you would like to see that video, give this a like, give me a comment, and then I will see you all in another video. Stay safe and bye.